Climb inside the 2011 BMW 328i. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. BMW prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.